This is the Shark Matrix Plus, and Shark says this robot vacuum can finally solve one of the biggest problems with robot cleaners, actually cleaning your floors properly without babysitting it every 5 minutes. And honestly, after testing it in a real home with pet hair, crumbs, rugs, and those annoying corners most robot vacs completely ignore, I found a couple of surprises. Some really good, some not so good. So is this finally the robot vacuum worth your hard-earned cash? Let's talk about it. Shark Matrix Plus product overview. So what exactly are we looking at here? The Shark Matrix Plus is Shark's mid to upper tier robot vacuum and mop combo designed for people who want smart cleaning without spending crazy premium money on something like a Roomba or Roomba flagship. It comes with a self-emptying dock, precision home mapping, matrix grid cleaning, and sonic mopping. Basically, Shark is trying to combine strong vacuum performance with smarter navigation and better edge clean, all while keeping the price more reasonable than some competitors. And honestly, that's what makes this thing interesting. It's clearly aimed at busy households, pet owners, and people who want automation without turning their house into a robot science experiment. Shark Matrix Plus performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform in the real world? Honestly, pretty well. The first thing I noticed was how aggressive the cleaning pattern is compared to cheaper robot vacuums. Most robot vacs kind of wander around, pretending to clean. The Matrix Plus actually moves in a tighter, more deliberate grid pattern, especially when it detects dirtier areas. And if you've got pet hair, this thing is surprisingly capable. I tested it with dog hair on hardwood floors and low-pile carpet, and it picked up way more debris than I expected from a robot in this price range. The suction is strong enough that you can actually see the carpet lines afterward, which is always a good sign. Navigation is another area where Shark improved a lot. The LiDAR mapping system creates a pretty accurate map of your home quickly, and it rarely slammed into furniture during testing. It also handled transitions between hard floors and rugs without freaking out. But it's not all perfect. Features and tech. Let's talk about the standout features because this is where the Shark Matrix Plus starts separating itself from budget robot vacuums. First up is the Matrix Clean system. Basically, instead of doing a single pass over your floors, it cleans in a tighter crosshatch pattern. That means better coverage and fewer missed spots, especially around high traffic areas like kitchens and entryways. And trust me, you notice the difference. Next is the self-emptying base, which is honestly one of those features you don't appreciate until you have it. Instead of dumping the dustbin after every run, the robot empties itself into the dock automatically. For busy people or pet owners, this is a game changer. Then there's the home mapping system. The app lets you set no-go zones, target specific rooms, and schedule cleaning routines. So if your kitchen gets messy every night after dinner, you can literally automate that cleaning schedule and forget about it. Design and build. Aesthetically, Shark did a solid job here. The Matrix Plus has a clean, modern design that looks premium without being flashy. The matte finish helps hide fingerprints, and the robot itself is low profile enough to slide under most couches and beds pretty easily. The self-empty dock is definitely a little bulky though, so you'll want some dedicated floor space for it. Build quality feels sturdy overall. Nothing rattles or feels cheap, and the removable water tank and dustbin are easy to access and clean. Pros. Excellent suction performance for pet hair and carpets. Matrix cleaning pattern actually improves coverage. Accurate LiDAR mapping and smart room controls. Cons. Obstacle avoidance can still struggle with cables and clutter. Mopping is good for maintenance, not deep cleaning maintenance. Final verdict. So who is this for, and is it worth the money? Honestly, if you're someone who wants a smart robot vacuum that actually feels useful day to day without spending ultra premium money, the Shark Matrix Plus makes a really strong case for itself. It's especially great for pet owners, busy families, and people who mostly want automated maintenance cleaning instead of constantly vacuuming manually. Now, if you want absolute top-tier AI obstacle avoidance or hardcore mopping performance, brands like Roomba still have an edge. but you're also paying significantly more for those features. The Shark Matrix Plus hits this really nice middle ground, where it delivers genuinely strong cleaning performance, smart automation, and good reliability without feeling overpriced.